Hi traders, before we get into today's analysis, I just wanted to give you a personal invitation to my free Forex trading webinars. You can register by using the link in the description below. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's now get into the charts. Now the dollar CAD had a strong move up last week, breaking above 132.62 monthly resistance. It's now testing last month's high. Struggling here at the moment. This week, are we able to move above? Does it become support for a move higher? Being quite overstretched here, we could well see this area hold as resistance for a move back down the range. So watch for intraday failure. If you see that, we could be seeing a reversal back down the range from last month's high. Now the dollar franc rejected 87.57 last week. It's just managing to hold on monthly support in the short term, 86.99. But has the overall rally finished? The higher time frame trend is down. Will we see a break back below 86.99? Does that become resistance for a move down to re-challenge a weekly support at 85.69? Alright trades, onto dollar yen. Now we advanced last week, almost tested 143.98 day resistance and then had a 2-day reversal. Just managing to close yesterday back above 142.17, which is a monthly resistance level. So can the advance continue? Come up and retest 143.98 this week, and can we challenge 145.06 through the course of the month? Now if you do see a lower top form, then have the anticipation that we may be topping out at the top of this range. So does the advance continue, or do we see a lower top form for a move back below that monthly resistance level at 142.17? Alright trades, onto euro pound. Last week we failed up here at 86.58 weekly resistance, pulling back. Can we put in a further higher bottom? As a trader, I'd like to see a pullback to day support, 85.84. Can that hold for a further move up to challenge 86.58? And can we move above that level? If it comes back up to that level and once more starts to reject, expect then a move back down the range. So can the uptrend hold and retest 86.58 this week? Okay, moving on to New Zealand yen. Last week we rejected monthly resistance 88.16, and we could be putting in a lower top up here on the weekly chart. So with that in mind, I will be watching this weekly level of resistance this week. Can we rally back to that level, hold, and start to reverse for a move down to test day support 86.13 to move lower this week? Moving lower potentially in line with the lower top forming up here on the weekly chart. Alright traders, let's pay a review for the day. New Zealand dollar. It's been having a very good sell-off. It may have sold down to the bottom of this range from low to high. Can the downtrend continue? Over the last couple of trading days, we've been holding at broken support, 61.20. We might see another test of that level this week. So can 61.20 be resistance this week to move down to challenge 60.50 once more? And can we move down and through? Again, USCPI data release on Thursday. Will that be positive or negative for the US dollar? So it's going to be difficult ahead of that data release, but at the moment, does 61.20 hold as resistance for a further decline at the moment to test at 60.50? And can we move down and through that level this week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time.